Pad Kaprow Gai. Pad Kaprow Gai. Pad Kaprow Gai. Pad Kaprow Gai. It's no secret that I love Thai food. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a Pad Kaprow Gai, which simply translates to chicken and basil that's stir-fried together. This recipe is made using the traditional holy basil. Holy basil is available all over Thailand. It has a slight peppery taste and it grows wild, but I wasn't able to find holy basil here in Canada, so I substituted Thai basil instead. If you can't find Thai basil, you can make this recipe just using regular basil. Now, what blew my mind is that holy basil and tulsi that's available in India is the same thing. So if you're in India, grab your tulsi and start making this recipe. Before I go any further, do make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you're the first to see them. Also, ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. All great recipes start with a great spice blend. I'm going to use my mortar and pestle to pound a few ingredients. 1 teaspoon of white peppercorns, and I'm going to follow this with 12 cloves of garlic. I'm also going to use 1 large red chili. Now, this is not a very spicy chili, and it's going to give me color without the extra heat. And for heat, I have 5 Thai chilies. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Slicing these will help you break this down faster. I'm not looking for a smooth puree, but I'm going to just ensure that I break down and smash all of the garlic and every piece of chili so you're not left with large chunks. I have 1 pound of boneless chicken thigh. I'm going to cut this into a small dice. I prefer to use boneless as it's juicier to eat, but you can also use chicken breast if you like. Breast meat is also easier to dice since there's no fat and tissue. If you're making a larger quantity than this, you can also just sear the chicken very quickly and then dice it. The cooking of the chicken from the outside will help you dice the chicken faster. Some people use minced chicken, but in my humble opinion, cutting the chicken this way really enhances the whole Pad Kaprow experience. Once done, I'm just going to leave this aside. Heat up some oil, and in a wok, I'm going to get in all of that pepper and garlic mixture. Be sure to work in a well-ventilated area for this step. If possible, try to fry this outdoors. I love to prepare this dish for potlucks, and I usually triple or quadruple the recipe, and I always plan to cook this part outdoors. After getting a light golden color on the garlic, I'm going to add the chicken to the wok and allow it to absorb all of the flavor and caramelize at the same time. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and a 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce. If you want to omit the fish sauce, you can just substitute a 1/2 teaspoon of light soya sauce instead. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of palm sugar or any other sugar. And finally, the star of the show, the holy basil. I'm using about 1 cup, but you can use a bit more or a bit less. This is done. I'm going to remove this and keep it aside. Traditionally, this dish is served with a fried egg, so I'm going to use the same wok and all its residual flavors to fry my egg in. And then I'm going to serve it with some rice alongside the Pad Kaprow Gai for a complete meal. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Pad Kaprow Gai. It's a new favorite in my family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload a ton of videos every week. Share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. And do ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Until I see you next time, take care. Bye.